Okay, so see what happens. Here we have 2 over 3 in bracket raised to power 5 equal to 3 over 2 raised to power t minus 1. So this is a WAEC question, but it's very, very simple. Let's get started. Now, when you see this, the law of indices allows you to flip through. If you want to learn about indices, subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'm going to post everything about indices, where you have to learn the laws of indices and some common mistakes that people mistake for indices. All right, so that will be in the next video. But for this one, what happens is that you flip this 2, this 3 goes up and the 2 comes down. 3 over 2. Once you do this place there will be minus here. Once you flip the 2, you interchange it, minus will come here. So you now put your 5 equal to 3 over 2 in bracket t minus 1. Now if you see, the base are now the same. Now because the base are the same, you can cancel out the base and then equate only the powers. So now we have minus 5 equal to t minus 1. So at this point, you take like terms, making t the subject of the formula. This 1 will come to this other side. We now have minus 5 plus 1 equal to t. Minus 5 plus 1. You owe somebody 5 oranges while you have 1 orange. So the one you have, you pay, and then you will still be owing 4. So this will give you minus 4 equal to t. So we can now say that t is equal to minus 4. This is the answer. It's a WAEC question. So look at this one now. We have 1 over 3 raised to power 5n times 9 raised to power n minus 1 times 27 raised to power n plus 1. So if you want to solve this, now in indices, this law, if we have x minus a, this law can be expressed as x 1 over x raised to power a. All right, this can be expressed as this 1, this minus here can be expressed as 1 over. Okay, it's a law of indices. Like I said before, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to upload a video that teaches about indices, everything about indices. So now having said that, this over 1 is going to be changed to minus. We now have 3 minus, so we now have 3 raised to power minus 5n times 9 is equal to 3 raised to power 2, right? In bracket you put n minus 1. In bracket you put that. So bring your times. 27 is 3 raised to power 3. In bracket, right, you put n plus 1. Okay, so at this point, the law of indices allows you, if you have a raised to power x times a raised to power b, the law of indices allows you to add the powers together. Okay, so at this point, that is exactly what we are going to do. We add the powers together. We take one of the base, we now have to take 3. We now add the rest together, minus 5n plus 2 in bracket n minus 1 plus 3 in bracket n plus 1. So at this point, we open the brackets. All right, so we now have 3 minus 5n plus 2 times n will give us 2n minus 2 times 1 give us 2. Okay, plus 3 times n will give us 3n. 3 times 1 will give us 3. So the ones that have n will come to this side. The ones that do not have n, shift it to that side. All right, so we now have 3 minus 5n. This is plus 2n. Still put it here, plus 2n. So look at the one that has n again. plus 3n. Now the ones that don't have n, minus 2 plus 3. If you do this, here will now be minus 5n, 2 plus 3 give us plus 5n, minus 2 plus 3, minus 2, 2 minus like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 3. This will cancel this will cancel this, will remain 1 plus. So here we have plus 1. So minus n plus minus 5n plus 5n will cancel out. What will now remain is what? Plus 1. So here we can now say that this is now equal to 3 raised to power 1. And anything raised to power 1 is that in itself. So our answer is equal to 3. This becomes our final answer. Please subscribe. Bye.